Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the CN6009 Boost module. See friends, this one is Boost module. It will boost the voltage up to 39 volts and gives maximum 2 amps of the current. Now let's connect to the power supply. In this module, we have to connect the input wires and these two are output wires. We can increase the voltage here. This one is the potentiometer. We can turn this potentiometer and increase the voltage. Now we will connect the input wires. I am using the power bank to power this boost module. Connect the input positive wire to the boost module. And connect the negative wire to the boost module. Negative wire. I connect the input positive wire and input negative wire. Now let's turn on this boost module. Now take the multimeter to check the output positive and negative. Connect output positive wire to the red wire and output negative wire to the black wire. Now turn on this meter and set it to 200 volts. Now connect this input wire to the power bank. Now see, the voltage is showing 7 volts. Now I will increase the voltage from rotating the preset. The least voltage of this module is 5 volts because the input voltage is 5 volts, so it cannot be decreased from input voltage what we have given to the module. Now I will increase the voltage. See, the voltage is increasing. See, I am rotating this potentiometer with a tiny screwdriver. See, the voltage is increasing. See, the maximum voltage of this module is 49.2. It is maximum up to 50 volts. Now I will decrease the voltage and I will set this voltage to 12 volts. Now I will test this to run a DC motor. Now see, I had set the voltage to 12.8 volts. I am using the 12 volts DC motor here to test this. See, the DC motor is run very fastly. Now I will increase this voltage to 15 volts. Now I will test this motor. Now see, the voltage is increased. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.